Welcome to Spring LIB.
For this problem, on the topic of gases, we want to know what percentage of the atmosphere lies below an altitude of 11 kilometers and the percentage of the atmosphere that lies below an altitude of 18 kilometers. Now, we need to remember that both of these distances above the Earth, both of these altitudes, are in the range of the troposphere. Now, we know that below an altitude of 5.6 kilometers, we have about 50% of the atmosphere, and this is at 18,000 feet. 75% of the atmosphere lies below 11 kilometers, which is 36,000 feet. And if we were to move up from 11 kilometers to 18 kilometers, then we would have 90% of the Earth's atmosphere below us.